You're not supposed to speak like that to your father. We're supposed to go on a trip this month. What are you supposed to do this afternoon? She's not supposed to be here this time. Supposed to, supposed to, supposed to. Have you ever wondered when and where we use the grammatical structure of supposed to? That's exactly what I want to explain to you guys in today's video. I just want to throw light on the structure of supposed to, when and where we use it, its different forms, and also I will do my best to simplify this grammatical structure for you guys as much as I can until you can use it to form beautiful sentences and structures. Are you ready? Of course you are. So let's get started. Well, the first reason why we use the grammatical structure of supposed to is when we want to talk about obligation in English. What is obligation? When we want to say that someone must do something, someone should do something, when there is some sort of obligation that someone needs to do something, someone must or should do something. So we can use supposed to when we want to express a sense of obligation, when we want to say that there is obligation that someone should do something. Let me provide you with some examples of supposed to. She's supposed to stay with you until you get better. She's supposed to stay with you until you get better, which means she must stay with you until you get better. You're not supposed to talk to your father like that. You're not supposed to talk to your father like that, which means you shouldn't talk to your father like that. You mustn't talk to your father like that. What am I supposed to do when I face a problem? What am I supposed to do when I face a problem? Which means, what should I do when I face a problem? What must I do when I face a problem? Keep in mind that the structure of supposed to looks like this. We have to be verbs, am, is, are, was, were, followed by supposed, followed by to, followed by the simple or the base form of verbs. So am, is, are, was, were, depending on whether you're talking about the present or the past, we can use am, is, are, or was, were plus supposed plus to plus verbs, the base form of verbs. This is the structure of supposed to. So the first reason we use supposed to is when we want to emphasize that someone must do something, or when we want to express the sense of urgency, the sense of obligation, the fact that someone must do something or someone has to do something. Let me provide you with more examples of supposed to used to express the sense of obligation. You're supposed to help your parents when they ask for help. You're supposed to help your parents when they ask for help, which means you must help your parents. You should help your parents when they ask for help. I'm supposed to finish my homework before dinner. I'm supposed to finish my homework before dinner, which means I must finish my homework before dinner. She's supposed to be at work by 9. She's supposed to be at work by 9, which means she must be at work by 9. Alright, now let's focus on the second reason why we use the structure of supposed to. We can also use supposed to say that we're expected to do something, or something is expected to happen, or something is expected to take place, or we've planned to do something, or there's a plan to do something. There's a plan for something to happen. So we can use the structure of supposed to emphasize that we're expected to do something, something is expected to happen, or we've planned to do something, or something has been planned to happen. Something, or there's an arrangement that something will happen. Let me provide you with some examples of supposed to with this meaning and in this regard. We're supposed to meet each other soon. We're supposed to meet each other soon, which means we're expected to see each other soon. What are you supposed to do today? What are you supposed to do today? Which means, what are you expected to do today? We don't have enough food, so what are we supposed to do? We don't have enough food, so what are we supposed to do? Which means we don't have enough food. We've run out of food. What are we expected to do? He was supposed to call me last night, but he didn't. He was supposed to call me last night, but he didn't, which means he was expected to call me last night, but he didn't. There was a plan that he was going to call me last night, but it didn't happen. The batteries are supposed to last all day long. The batteries are supposed to last all day long, which means the batteries are expected to last all day long, for the whole day. They're not supposed to, run out of charge soon. They're not supposed to die soon. They're supposed to last for the whole day. The movie was supposed to start at 7, but it got delayed. The movie was supposed to start at 7, but it got delayed, which means the movie was expected to start at 7, but it got delayed. Or the movie was planned to start at 7, but it got delayed. And that's about it. So up to this point, you learned that we can use the structure of supposed to express the sense of obligation or urgency to do something, or to express the idea that something is expected to happen, or someone is expected to do something, or there's a plan to do something. So we can use the structure of supposed to in two certain ways: to express the sense of obligation, the fact that someone must or should do something, and also to express the idea that there is an arrangement for something to happen, there is a plan for something to happen, or someone or something is expected to do something, or something is expected to happen. Now what I want you to do is provide me with some examples of supposed to in the form of sentences and comment them all down below. I will be reading those sentences and correcting them. Thank you for watching today's video. Make sure you like this video in support of your YouTube English teacher and subscribe if you haven't done so already. I'll be back soon with another video.